As some of you know, I've got a new bike coming, and it finally came in. It was a long 4.5 months, but my Frameworks Enduro came in Thursday. Today is Saturday, and I've got it all together, and I wanted to do a quick shakedown run before I go to a bike park tomorrow. So I went out to ride BHM, and I got a couple laps in. This first lap is the new trail. It's called No Name or New Trail, something like that. So far, the bike feels really good, and now let's go on to a jump trail. This is a good one. I'm pretty happy with this, and we are going to get back to going and traveling. I've kind of been putting it off a little bit because I wasn't real happy with my bike, as most of you know. But this one's good. I like it. We're going to try it out tomorrow. Probably go to Jared's place and see how it is. And then if that's the case, I got some trips planned. I'm ready to get to them, and maybe we'll see you there.